Hello everyone. Today I've just finished installing the Titan jaw system into the back of my 90 series Prado. I used the factory holes to drill in bolts, and what I've done is I've used two nuts that came with the bolts for each hole to pretty much prop it up so that it's level, and I've used on both sides large size washers, and that alone held it pretty tight, but there's still a little bit of play. I've done the same at the rear, and as the these rails are sort of jagged, so you can't really line it up properly. What I've done is I've used the U bracket, drilled it into the hole in the center of the back of the car, and with its wings I've drilled in through the Titan jaw system frame to those wings using some bolts, and that made it even more secure. But I just thought I'd add for the front some wood to make it look good, but mainly this piece and that piece, which are drilled into the frame just to make it more stable, and that definitely made a massive difference. And as you can see here, there's also another bracket that I've installed. That's basically where the ring used to be. Let's see, I've got the piece. This ring, I've taken it out and I've used a bolt just to secure the back of the frame into there, and I've drilled another hole up here just to hold it more tightly and again into the wood. I've also installed the wing kit. I had to do some angle grinding just to get it to fit on the side here. Glued it down, and I also had to drill holes in the in the other parts of it. So that's 2 centimeters up, that hole, and the ones at the back I had to drill all 3 holes to fit that one on. So yeah, let's just take a look at the back. So yeah, that's a hole that I had to drill to fit that bracket in, and for the support for the the wings, I've had to drill 1, 2, 3 holes in and use the mounts that come with the bracket. But yeah, so far it's holding extremely stable. There's pretty much no play in it. On a hill, so excuse that. But yeah, pretty much the whole thing is like it is not moving, as compared to when I just used those 2 rails in the middle. Was a bit concerned about putting a fridge on top and a few other accessories that might be a bit heavy and cause it to bend over time or cause it to rattle, which I'm sure many people don't like rattling. So yeah, that's going to future-proof this jaw system. So yeah, thanks for watching.